Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Asta Shrestha, Jujulupa Sabaijanalai. So finally I'm uploading a video after nearly 2 months. For my explanation, I had my final exams, which means the only few things that I did was eating, studying and sleeping, with a lot of pressure, stress, anxiety, fear and all those stuff. But the good part is it is over and finally I'll be uploading a video every week. Okay, I'll try to upload, at least I can say that. So this video is a compilation video of all the raw footage that I had in my phone, that included time lapse of my studies, some food and all those things that I did during that period of time. So I hope you'll enjoy it, and the struggle is real guys. Everything shown there is just a small minute footage of it, but it is just multiplication in real life. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. Watch the video till the last and tell me what is the favorite part in this video guys. With the rise in COVID cases all over the Nepal, we were supposed to take the COVID test, which included everyone from my batch were supposed to take COVID test before giving the examination. So here is my footage of taking COVID examination.
ये हम है, ये हमारे दोस्त है, और यहाँ क्या हो रहा है गाइस?
Hopefully everyone tested negative for COVID, so we were back in the lab and doing all the practical revisions and preparing for our exams. So here is some little footage of me preparing for my dental practicals, my anatomy lab and all this stuff. So my brother is a very camera shy person, so this might be one of the few footage of him enjoying his favorite food with me.
Hi guys, I'm taking one of कति का हावा चलिहाल्यो देखाउनु हुन्थ्यो पानी पर्यो पानी थाहा पाएँ मैले यहाँ पानी पर्यो तिम्रो टाउकोमा आजको प्लान सक्यो आजको प्लान पानी पर्यो हामी रेडी भएर आएको नदिएको कि
After giving exams for continuous 1 month, my exams were finally over and we all decided to watch the sunset in Sauraha. So here is all the fun stuff that we did on that day, and this is the Chasing Sunset vlog. I hope you guys will enjoy it and watch till the end. Thank you so much for tuning in.
There is sun. There is moon.
Hi guys. Our exams are over.
डिस्टर्ब गर्न हुँदैन ड्राइभरहरूलाई, तर मेरो काम त भिडियो खिच्ने हो। सो अब चाहिँ हामी चन्दनको चटपटी, अब म फुल फर्ममा आइसकेँ त। अब चाहिँ हामी चन्दनको चटपटी खान लाग्छौँ, भेरी फेमस। ए होइन, भेन्डिङ मसिन।
ल अब तपाईहरुले स्टार्टिङ हो 1 2 3
हजुर कति वर्ष भयो तर?
17 वर्ष लाडको पाइला काम
17 वर्ष भयो?
चारको
Oh my god. यार 17 वर्ष भएर त थाहा थियो? अनि अहिले अब फेमस हुनुभयो नि त भन्नाले अब भाइरल हुने कस्तो हुन्छ?
एकदम राम्रो छ।
अहिले धेरैजना लाइक सबै चिन्छ नि त। म भरतपुरबाट आएको भाइ।
के भन्यो, पानीपुरी त ढोल खाँदै हो। मिठो चटपटी
हजुर मिठो भयो सोचेको भन्दा लास्टै मिठो हामी त त्यतिकै हाइप भयो होला हामी त लास्टै मिठो ए ला लास्टै मिठो हो कि उवार पुरी खाएको मिठो भयो सुजीको पुरी जस्तो
ट्राफिकबाट भागेको हामी रोक्नुहोस् भन्दा भन्दै पनि
हामीलाई सबै रोकाएर तर हामी नफसिकन विजय प्राप्ति गरेको
आँखा नदेखिकन चलाएको
अनि हामीलाई ठुलो सहयोग चाहिँ पूजाले गरेको पूजाको ज्याकेट लाएर बल्ल बल्ल उसको दाइले हामीलाई अनि यहाँसम्म कटाइदिनु भएको बिकज हाम्रो लाइसेन्स थिएन तर हामीलाई रोकिदिनु भयो हामी लुकेको बाटोबाट आउँदा पनि हामीलाई रोकिदिनु भयो
अगाडिको बाटोबाट आउँदा पनि चेकिङ के
फुल अन प्लान थियो कि हाम्रो हामीले यो भन्ने त्यो भन्ने भनेर तर अब फेरि कस्तो इन्स्टेन्टली हामीले भागम भन्यो कि
भागो भनेको सुने
कहिले स्कुटी चढ्न नपाएको